Whoa! Oh, where? How long have you been standing there for? Of course, the trumpet. That must mean it's toy time. Come on, hide in my doggo. Walk time is over.
Toy time!
Oh, kia ora, Huama. Ko mai tōku ingoa.
Oh, there you are.
These are my friends, Jojo and Ricky.
You're always out here in the garden, Maya.
I like it out here, Jojo. And besides, I need to make sure my plants have enough water and the right amount of sun. It's my job as their kaitiaki.
Kaitiaki?
Aye, we are all guardians of the land and we need to make sure we tiaki and care for our taiao for future generations.
Like our tamariki.
Oh, and our children's children.
And our children's children's children.
Aye.
I want to be a kaitiaki. Oh. Water, anyone? How about you, sir? Inuwai?
There are lots of ways you can practice your Kaitiakitanga, Ricky. Like picking up rubbish or looking after our native wildlife like the rangers do.
Every action you have, big or small, has an impact on our taiao.
Wehi na. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go take care of the world.
Whakato te kakano, watch it sprout. Whangaia te tipu, watch it grow. Give it water, give it sunlight, now it's time to harvest. Hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana. Whaia te maramataka, watch it change. Whai I ngā tohu, watch it flow. Give it water, give it sunlight, now it's time to harvest. Hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana, hey, oranga mo te tinana. Take care of Papa Tuanuku. Take only what you need. He hua mo ngā reanga, te oranga o te iwi. Te oranga o te iwi.
Oh! It's okay, Jojo. It's just me, Ricky.
No, I'm not scared. It's that your poor Taniwha has no karu.
Oh, I forgot to put the eyes on. Will you help me?
Of course.
My koro told me Taniwha are the Kaitiaki guardians of the waterways. I want to be just like the Taniwha and help protect the awa.
Wow, me too. Cool Taniwha, Ricky.
Who's Ricky? I'm Tiaki the Taniwha.
Tēnā koe tiaki te Taniwha.
Kia ora, Jojo.
This looks like the perfect spot to eat my aihi kirimi.
Kia ora, Maya. Having a good day?
Kia ora, Tiaki. Well, you know what they say. There's no such thing as a bad day when you're fishing.
Ka kite anō e hoa.
Oh, hey, Jojo. You're rubbish.
Oops, I didn't even realise I had dropped it. Wouldn't want that to end up in the awa. Thanks, Tiaki.
Oh, whoa! I think I've got something. Whoa, it's a big one. one, I can tell.
Looks a bit small for dinner, e hoa. Best to put it back so there's fish for your mokopuna.
Tika tau, hoki ki te kāinga, little fishy.
Ngā mihi nui, Maia.
No, Tiaki, thank you. You're a very good kaitiaki indeed.
Ko au te awa, ko te awa ko au.
Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm on a mission to become a better kaitiaki, and I'm doing it at Tamaki Zero Waste Hub. Check this place out. Oh, cousins, the people here reuse and repurpose things before they're recycled, just like this kettle. Hey, even though it's broken, I wonder how else it could be used. Let's go and find out, eh? Hang on a second. What's happening here? Check it out! All of these people here are using your old chippy and picky packets, fusing them together and turning them into emergency blankets to keep you warm. Cool, ne? See? Cozy as. Hey, cuzzies, this is the e-waste section. You know, like computers and electronics and stuff. Hey, did you know that 130 tons of e-waste is sent here every year? That's like 550 donkeys. I want to be a donkey. Hey, but it's all good though. They go through and sort it all, and if it can be fixed, it's fixed, and then it gets back out there into the community. Come on, my cuzzies. Check out all the amazing things that have been repurposed. They've got skis, bikes, clocks, furniture, toys, lamps. Hey, what's that thing? Whee! Check this out, cuzzies. This is the Eco Matters Bike Hub. Pretty awesome, eh? They take all your old bikes you don't want, and then they teach the tamariki how to fix them up so they can go back out there and be ridden again. Pretty awesome, eh? Check out these wheels. Whee! La 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 la. Oh, isn't this place amazing, my cuzzies? I've got so many ideas of how to reuse and repurpose the things I have at home. I still haven't figured out how to repurpose the kettle, though. Lock in. I think I found it. Tito, my cuzzies. Check it out, my cuzzies. Look at this awesome way of repurposing things that you have and turning it into art. Hey, can you see the kettles on this? I'll give you a clue. There's two. That's right. One is here and one is here. Cuzzies, I've got one more thing to show you. Come on. Check it out. This is the shop. This is where everything has been cleaned and repurposed and ready to reuse and go back to your home. Tito, my cuzzies. Wow. I've just seen the perfect present for John Boy. Come on, my cuzzies. Check out this cute little fella. This is gonna be a perfect present for my brother John Boy. Whee! What another perfect day and another perfect mission on how to become a better kaitiaki so I can look after Papa Tuanuku. Mauri ora. Woo, back at it again.
Excuse me, come through. Ngā mihi. Ngā mihi. Yeah. Oh, hey, tamariki ma. I'm going to ride my bike to mahi today. Hey, share the road, please. We've got a make sure we look out for each other when we're travelling, e te whānau. It doesn't matter if we're walking, scootering, cycling or driving. We're all trying to get to our destination safely. Oh, kia ora, Uncle. Because bikes are human-powered, they don't release nasties into the air like cars. Riding your bike is a great way to be a kaitiaki for the planet, and it's good for your tinana too. Those hills really get my wai-wai working. Right, come on, everybody, time to dig it in. Woohoo! See you later.
Oma, I thought you said we were throwing a birthday party. There's no one here but us. Where's the birthday person?
Well, you're looking at them.
What? It's not your birthday, Oma. I always know when it's your rā whānau because all the spring flowers are in bloom.
You're right, Wolfie. It's not my birthday. We are here to celebrate the birthday of this very special rako.
Hari huri tau kia koe e te rākau.
This special rako aporo has been in the Toy Time Garden for 20 years. We look after it and it looks after us by giving us shade and delicious aporo every autumn. Thank you, Rako, for being our treasured kaitiaki.
Oma, you always feed me. In fact, you look after me heaps. Does that make you my kaitiaki?
Yeah, yes, I guess it does, Wolfie.
Oh, ngā mihi nui kia koe e, Oma. I am so grateful for you.
Oh, thanks, Wolfie. I am so grateful for you too. Oh no! Maya! Here, hate raru, Jojo. Who would leave their rubbish in the playroom like this? Ah! What was that?
Maybe all this para has attracted kiore, rats. I've seen that on the movies and there's always lots of rats at the rubbish dumps.
Maybe the rat thinks our playroom is a dump because there's all this rubbish in here.
Here's my gumboot. Kia ora!
Kia ora, Buzz.
Oh, Buzz, thank goodness you're here. Look what someone has done to our playroom. The disrespect.
Disrespect.
Jojo.
I mean, they clearly have no idea how to be a good kaitiaki and whakapai.
Whakapai.
Jojo.
To leave the foot air like this.
Jojo! It was me!
What? You?
This is very unlike you, Buzz.
Why would you do that?
Oh, for takaro time today.
Huh?
Yeah, I can explain. But first, let's get changed. Oh, all right, Jojo and Maya, welcome to Parakore Warriors! In this game, we are all warriors that help protect Papatūānuku. If you look closely, you'll see all of the rubbish can actually be recycled. There's plastic, there's cardboard, there's aluminium, and you can put them all in here, and then I can put them in the recycling bin to be recycled.
Oh, cool.
The aim of the game is to be the fastest warrior to collect your recyclables. Jojo, you're on yellow. Maya, the red, and I'm gonna pick up the blue. Marama?
Aye.
Hey.
And we're wearing gloves because this could be really yucky.
No. Those are just part of the costume because they look cool. We're gonna pick up the recycling with these.
Ooh, even better.
Right. Kua rite kōrua.
Aye.
First one to collect all their para wins. Toriroa tahi tīmata. Oh, I better open that. Oh, yeah. What?
Kwa oti au.
Quick! Jojo wins! I'll take this outside to the recycling bin to be collected.
Thanks, Buzz. That was fun.
Although, I'm glad that the playroom is looking beautiful and tidy. Let's hope we never see it like that again.
Or we could play again.
Parakora Warriors!
I can swing my poi in Kapa haka. I can twirl it around in Kapa haka. I can pukana in Kapa haka. I can pukana in Kapa haka. I can wear my hands in Kapa haka. I can wear my hands in Kapa haka. I can waiata in Kapa haka. I can waiata in Kapa haka. Now, tamariki ma, you try it with me. Woo! I can swing my poi in Kapa haka. I can twirl it around in Kapa haka. I can pukana in Kapa haka. I can pukana in Kapa haka. I can wear my hands in Kapa haka. I can wear my hands in Kapa haka. Woo! I can waiata in Kapa haka. I can waiata in Kapa haka. Old Aotearoa is where I'm from, and Kapa haka is where I belong. He Māori ahau, he Māori ahau. All day long, man. Woo! Tino rangatiratanga.
Oh, kia ora tamariki ma. I'm making a snack tray to take out to the garden. I'm trying my best to be parakore, leaving no rubbish. So, I've done some baking and brought big bags of snacks to reduce plastic waste. And the best thing about these reusable snack trays is that we can bring back kai we don't eat to have later, as well as the food scraps to put in the compost. Parakore, no waste. Now, what else? Oh, muffin and some carrots. Oh, that's strange. Muffin and some carrots. Huh? Wait a minute. Muffin? Buzz, is that you?
Meow.
Come on out, Buzz.
Oh,
Did you take the muffins?
mō taku he, Maya. I'm sorry, I should have asked.
Kei te pai, Buzz. There's plenty to go around. Would you like to share them with me out in the garden?
Of course. Okay, I'll take this.
Today I'm gardening at my school. I love gardening and picking vegetables. It's fun using the wheelbarrow. The garden is full today, so I'm going to pick some silver beet. My scissors help me cut the silver beet. There's so much silver beet. I want to fill the wheelbarrow up. I'm going to pick it all. We also have a big cauliflower. Here, look. It's as big as my head. Gardening is fun, even in the rain. Now I can take my wheelbarrow away and put some silver beets in the worm song. Oh, I'm getting so muddy. Look at my hands. I want to wash my hands with some water. I love gardening because I can get my hands dirty up the stairs.
Oh, kia ora, Ranger Jojo here. My team of Kaitiaki help to look after native wildlife and plants. Our mahi ensures they're going to be around for a very long time. Oh. Kia ora, you've got Ranger Jojo. On the road. A seal. OK, I'll be right there. The New Zealand fur seal, or kikino, is a special species that rangers help to care for. Normally you'll find seals on our rocky shores, but occasionally you'll find them in odd places. Let's head there now. Kia ora, Ranger Jojo here, Kaitiaki of native plants and wildlife.
Oh, kia ora, Ranger Jojo. I'm Riki, the road worker. Kaitiaki of this road, I guess.
Now, I've had some reports of a kikino on the road.
Oh, a kikino.
Yes, have you seen one?
What do they look like?
Oh, they're furry things with whiskers. You know, a seal. Like this one. I had a call saying there was a seal on the road.
Oh, well, nope, not here. The only seal around here is tar seal. You know, the black stuff on the road?
I see what may have happened here. A bit of a mix-up. I think my caller may have been talking about tar seal, not a kikino seal on the road.
Yes, seems so, Jojo.
I'll leave you to get back to your work. But if you do see a kikino on the road somewhere or somewhere unsafe, call your local rangers for help.
Thanks, Ranger Jojo. You're doing a great job.
All in a day's work, e hoa. Hei konara.
Okay.
Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your Kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. Let's start with the lakes and the rivers and the deep blue sea. Tangaroa said to me, no more being mean to me, no throwing rubbish in the sea. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your Kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. What about the forest and the plants? The animals, the birdies and the bugs. Let's all plant some seeds. Recycle, please. Tane Mahuta said to me, no more being mean to me, no leaving rubbish around me. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your Kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. It's me again. It's your Kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. No more being mean to me. No more being mean to me.
We're going to check on the chickens today. Here they are. We make sure they have water. My little sister helps too. I'm going to check for eggs.
Let's open up and see if we've got any eggs, girls.
We found some. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cat likes to help too.
Okay.
You want an egg? Now I need to feed the chickens.
Is that easy?
They're really hungry. We've got to feed the sheep too.
good.
They love their food. Their ears are really soft. They've had their dinner. We say bye to the sheep. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about lunchtime. In the vibrant city of Wellington, it was lunchtime at Jean's school. She sat with her best friends, Doug, Hiroki, and Marama. "What did you all bring for lunch today?" asked Jean. Doug had a fresh chicken and salad sandwich. Hiroki had a bento box full of small snacks, sushi, egg rolls, and apple slices. Marama had a lunch from the tuck shop, a hot mince and cheese pie. Jean had bought a bowl of Mum's special fried rice. "Your sandwich looks yummy," said Jean, eyeing Doug's mouth-watering lunch. "I love sushi," said Doug, admiring Hiroki's bento box. "It's a good day for a hot lunch," said Hiroki, looking at Marama's steaming pie. "And the fried rice smells amazing," said Marama, sniffing in Jean's direction. Jean had an idea. Everyone had such great food. What if we swap lunches today? Excited, the friends all agreed. So Jean munched on Doug's crunchy sandwich. Doug enjoyed all the snacks in Hiroki's bento box. Hiroki tucked into Marama's piping hot pie, and Marama gobbled up Jean's fragrant fried rice. "Yum," said Marama, rubbing her happy belly. "Yeah," said the others, all satisfied with their delicious lunches. The end.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again.